Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very special spice rice, which is delicious to eat and especially made at the time when you do not have, on weekdays where you don't have time and you want things to be cooked immediately and have a nice meal. So let's get started. Before we start, if you have not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay, and click on the like and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about my next recipe that I will be posting on this channel. Also, keep in mind this is not a paid or a sponsored video. The products that I will be using is just that I like these products and would like to share with you my recipe using those products. Today while shopping, I found this wonderful spice mix for spice rice. I'm going to try this and show you how to make it. This rice dish is going to be perfect for those weekdays where you don't have time. Just take a couple of frozen vegetables and pop it in your cooking pot and make this rice. So let's get started. I'm going to start by first frying some onions. I've taken 2 large onions. I'm going to fry this until they're slightly translucent. I don't want to brown them. Once the onion is slightly translucent, like so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my vegetables. I'm using potatoes, carrots, green peas, and cauliflower. You can add whatever vegetables you want. Just fry your vegetables for about half a minute. Now I'm going to use around 3 teaspoons of this spice mix that I bought, and again fry this for about a minute or so. Lovely fragrance. You must try it. If not this, if you don't get it of this brand, try some other brands where you get for. You could even use biryani masalas instead of this. Soaked my basmati rice for about half an hour. I'm going to now add this to my spice. I'm using about half a kilo of basmati rice. And I'm going to add enough water so that it cooks. How much water we need to add? Just make sure that you add about an inch above the rice, and that is enough for the rice to cook. Alright then, see you in a while. Now as you can see now, the quantity of water is just about an inch or so above the rice. My next ingredient to season the rice, I'm going to be using Knorr brand vegetable stock. Okay. Alright, so Any vegetarian brand you could use. Any vegetable stock, if you have vegetable stock in a can, you could use that. Or if you have powder, you could use that as well. So I just add enough so that my rice is nice and seasoned. And I don't need to add salt if I'm using this, because this powder already has salt and it's enough to season my rice. Okay. Alright, then I'm going to cover this and let it cook for around 10 minutes. Once it comes up to a boil, okay, and you will see that the rice starts absorbing the water, okay. I'm going to use the absorption method, okay, where I'm going to boil the rice until the water is almost absorbed and then lower the flame and let it cook in its own steam for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright then, see you in a while. As you can see now, the rice has almost absorbed most of the water at this time. Now is the time where I'm going to turn my gas or my flame to the lowest, cover it and let this cook now for 5 to 10 minutes in its own steam. Alright? It's been like about 5 minutes now that the rice has been cooking in its own steam. Almost about 5 to 6 minutes. Look here. The rice is lovely and cooked, all separated. Alright. I'm going to cover it immediately now so that it further cooks in its own steam. Look at the rice. So here you go. My spice rice is ready to eat. Look how delicious it is. If you like the recipe, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. And also don't forget to share the recipe. And don't forget the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Do make this at home on your busy days and enjoy a nice meal with rice. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.